Alright, this is Puzzle Master Week 2 for Imagine Cup. Dickinson Bros is our name, is what we're going by for our group name, our company name, and we've got a second week worth of progress here. So this is just Windows 8 emulator running on my computer. I'm just going to go over what's new and what we've got so far. Okay, so here's the main menu. This is new. We didn't have this last week. So we can play by clicking on single player or multiplayer, and you can contact us by clicking on one of these and it shoots an email. And that's pretty much it for the main menu. This should say Puzzle Masters, which is our current name for the game. We may change that, but that's what we've got for now. Okay, so we've got single player and multiplayer. Let's go ahead and click on multiplayer, and it brings up this cool little menu. How many players would we like? Let's try 4. Okay, here's another cool menu we've got built in here. So for player 1, let's set us down to 1. Player 2, let's go to 2, and player 3 will go 5, and player 4 will go 7. Right now the speeds are way too quick, but that's what we've got set, and you can see this color changes. Pretty nifty. Pretty cool. There we go. We'll set a take. So we'll go ahead and hit play here. These have been revamped. I've added this little gray area for these. Still need some work. As you can see, this is going really quick. Normally it would lose, but I'm having it just keep playing. What's new is it's supposed to detect if you get 3 or more in a row, and it's not always doing that. As you can see, we have 4 here, and now it detected. Also, gravity is new, so this will fall. This will fall. That's pretty much it for the actual game itself. Added a little score here and a level here. Still needs some refinement, but it's starting to look better than I think the other one did. That's pretty much it. Once I can get the detection to work correctly, aside from maybe once you get really big combos shooting over to someone else and showing some cool effects, the game should essentially function. So we're getting pretty close to a working project. Doesn't mean it's got all the cool visual effects and it's nice and pretty yet, but it's making some good progress. So anyways, that's pretty much it. The other thing here is I want to mention is Luke's been working on the menus, and they're starting to look pretty good. And my brother Andy, he's been working on the ranking system and how that's supposed to work and how it's going to work when you're playing multiplayer, how the screens are going to transition. We haven't really touched any of the actual multiplayer components yet, aside from just making it work with computers. So one step at a time. I've mostly been working on the back end, and I'm Mark. So thanks for checking this out, and we'll get an update next week.